It's hard to be the person who never gives up. So guys, keep that in your brain. It's hard to be the person who never gives up. Hope everybody's having a good morning today. I know it's beautiful outside. It's snowy, it's sunny, it's rainy, all depending on where you're at. So hopefully you're enjoying your breakfast, you're enjoying your morning. And even if you're watching this later on today, hopefully you're having a good day. I want nothing but good vibes and positivity to you. So I'm going to smack you in the face with some positivity. And first, let's get right to this because we got a lot of news when it comes to stimulus checks. You know, a lot of people have been talking about their tax returns as well. I'm the perfect person to talk to just because I can get some of these questions answered for you guys. You know, if everybody don't know who I am, I'm QUiNTiN Banks, college graduate. I'm a financial expert, a lot of people like to call me. But I'm just here to speak knowledge and speak what's on my mind. So we're going to talk about, let's talk about, there's a debate that's going to go on later on today. If you guys don't know, you know, Democrats, Republicans, there's a debate that's going to be going on. I'm going to keep you guys updated when it comes to that. If you guys want to watch this debate, drop the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Also, let's get right to this. Now, the first image I got here is 11 Senate Democrats push Biden to include recurring checks, jobless aid, and next big bill. So they're going to be debating about this today. They're basically going to debate on if there's going to be a $1,400 stimulus check today. Is there going to be a reoccurring stimulus check? Is it going to be one time? So it's a lot of questions that's going to get answered today in this debate. This debate is basically going to be like a 24-hour debate, which meaning there's going to be updates every day. So every day, all day, there's going to be a lot of updates. So with that being said, let's get right to this. It says 11 Senate Democrats push Biden to include recurring checks, jobless aid, and the next big bill. And this is good that they're pushing forward. This is good that they're actually open to this and they're letting us know, hey, this is what we're going to be talking about. So if you guys got questions, you know, drop the comments below as well. Do you guys think this is a good thing to have reoccurring payments? So imagine if you had reoccurring, meaning if you were getting a stimulus check every single month. Like, drop the comments below. Would that be a good thing or bad thing? Now let me know. What the Democrats are trying to do is they got a higher number. So Democrats, let's say the number is 500 million, right? So Democrats say we want 500 million stimulus checks go out each month to Americans, US citizens. With that being said, the Republicans are like, no, we want 200 million. You know, we want 200 million total. So they're trying to find that balance and that number in between. You know, obviously the Democrats, they want more. The Republicans, they want less. You know, they want to offer less. They want to propose less. So we're going to figure out exactly, hopefully we figure out a number today. You know, hopefully I'll come back to you guys tomorrow with the number of saying, this is the amount that they agreed on. This is the amount that was proposed. This is the amount that, you know, the Democrats said, this is what we wanted to do, but we're going to work with this number. So we don't know what numbers they're going to throw out there yet, you know, as far as official numbers, but sometime later on today, all of those numbers should be out there. All of those numbers should be out there. Now, after this video, I'm going to be releasing the contest winners. So you guys want to stay tuned for that as well. So to be tuned, what you guys want to do is smash that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe, because the giveaway winners are going to be announced after this video. I'm doing a giveaway every single month. You know, it's just my way of giving back to the people that watch me, that wake up in the morning, they watch me, they hear my voice, they react to me, you know, let me know how you guys are doing and stuff like that. So it's just my way of giving back. I'm going to be doing cash apps. And just like I mentioned in the giveaway video, the winner has to be they have to comment under the pinned comment, their cash app. Now I'm just giving you guys a warning. There's going to be another contest, and that contest will be on the next video. So if you guys want to be entered in the contest, all you guys got to do is comment on the next video, and that's going to be the contest video. Now the Silicon Railroad funding has been removed from the bill, so we won't have to worry about that. You know, a lot of people was asking about that as well. Well, what about the railroads? How do you feel about this? That's being removed. So some people saying that's a good way of saying the ball is, you know what I mean, it's going in the right direction. So that has been removed from the bill, from the proposal. That has been removed. 1.5 million Seaway Bridge has been removed as well from the proposal. A lot of Republicans, a lot of Democrats, I guess they must have came to some type of agreement on that, and they're going to actually discuss that at a later time. So it won't be on this bill, but that's proven facts that it's it's moving. You know, it's moving, it's progressing. So that's all we can really set our minds on, is long as this is progressing, you know, in the right direction, that's all that matters. Now I know I mentioned the stimulus checks. Now if you have not received your stimulus checks yet, drop the comments below and let me know. They have sent out, the IRS sent out all of the stimulus checks, whether it's direct deposit or mail-in checks. Now those mail-in checks could take up to 7 to 14 days, so just bear with the IRS, bear with whoever you filed with. They should be in contact with you guys when it comes to direct deposit, because the direct deposit should be a faster method. Now a lot of people are saying, I owe this, I owe that, but I still receive it. Every situation is different, but I do want to say you should be able to still receive it. But if you owe the IRS or if you owe certain places, they will deduct that amount off, but only you know that amount. You know, I've been getting a lot of people commenting saying, yo Q, I received my stimulus, but it was only $300, it was only $500, you know, what's going on, what happened, and come to find out they actually owed the IRS. You know, I don't know the stimulations behind that. I'm not, you know, it's not my situation, but the best thing that you can do is try to contact the IRS and get some more information. But 9 times out of 10, if you owe, you owe, and you must know that. You know, you must know that. So you really can't, you know, I mean, we can't act surprised. So if you owe, you owe. If you don't, and they did that, then that's a concern. You know, when it comes to the taxes, let me know if you guys receive your taxes as well. I know a lot of Chime members has been receiving their taxes through direct deposit. I know TurboTax as well. They've been sending those direct deposits on the card, and they've been expediting those processes as well. I mentioned that as well. If you guys want to sign up for TurboTax, they're going to give you $75. They're going to give you $25 on a gift card, and you can use their services for free. So it's a win-win situation, especially when it comes to filing your taxes. And then also we talked about Chime. If you link up your Chime and your taxes, you're going to be entered to win $2,020. Then also you'll actually be receiving $75 just for signing up with the Chime. It's a win-win situation. You can't go wrong with Chime. Now guys, this was the latest and the greatest information. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this content. As I mentioned, the giveaway is going to be on the next video. 7 rules of life. Smile, be kind, don't give up, don't compare, avoid negativity, make peace with your past, and take care of your body and mind. So guys, before I end this video off, I want you guys to take that in consideration. Put that in your brain, play back this video, that way you guys can see the breakdown and exactly what that means, and you guys can see it and visualize it. You know, I want you guys to take that in, enjoy the rest of your day, go eat some good food for me, go spread some good positivity for you, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, or actually I'm going to see you guys on the contest video, which is the next video. So as I always say, stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you.